Hey guys, for Christmas I got this phone. It's a Samsung Geo. And the password is L and an S. Leah and Stephanie. Yeah, we're still like best friends even though she moved. Anyway, so that's the new phone, Samsung Galaxy Geo. And Samsung Galaxy Geo. Did I say Galaxy before? I think I just said Samsung Geo. Anyway, this is my ringtone. It's the most awesome ringtone that you could ever hear to go with it. Okay. Listen, ready? It's really, really good. That's seriously my ringtone. Whenever someone calls, this will come up. I can't believe. I told my mum, and she kind of thought this was her face. So yeah. She thinks it's a secret message saying something really disgusting because the song goes, I'll take you to my candy shop. I'll let you lick my lollipop. Go ahead girl, don't you stop. You go until I hit the spot. Oh, I'll take you to my candy shop. One taste of... Okay, yeah, that's enough of that.